legal challenges of smart property development in Nigeria. Hello and welcome back to Chaman Property Lawyer, your trusted channel for property law and real estate education in Nigeria. Today, we will be talking about one of the fastest growing trends in real estate world, smart property development, and more importantly, the legal challenges that comes with it. All cities in Nigeria like Lagos State, Abuja, Port Harcourt move towards smart estates, smart apartment and automated buildings. New legal and regulatory questions are emerging. So if you are a developer, investor or homeowner, this video will guide you through what you need to know. What is smart property development? Smart property development involves building and managing properties using modern technologies such as follows. 1. Internet of Things, IoTs. Have you heard about Internet of Things devices? Artificial intelligence, AI systems, smart meters and sensors. Have you heard about all this? Security automation and surveillance. This one you must have heard about it. Smart energy and water management system. And also, most importantly, integrated digital property management platforms. Most of these things that I mentioned here may sound new to you. Essentially, a smart property is a technology-driven property designed for comfort, security, and efficiency. You can hear about smart homes, smart estates. But as technology becomes part of real estate, it introduces new legal complexities. No doubt about that. You need to know. I need to stay tuned to watch for this. You need to watch for this. Key legal challenges of smart property developments. Data protection and privacy, number 1. Smart properties rely heavily on data, from facing recognitions to smart CCTV, biometric access, and energy usage. Under the Nigerian Data Protection Act of 2023, property developers must ensure that residents' personal data is collected lawful, stored securely, and not misused. Breaching these rules can lead to huge fines and reputational damages. Example, let me give you for instance, a smart estate that uses digital access card to monitor residents' movements must have a data privacy policy. Obtain user consent before collecting such data. 2. Cybersecurity and liability with connected systems comes with cybersecurity risk, no doubt. Hackers could access smart logs, cameras, and financial data. If a system is hacked, who bears liability? The developer, the tech vendor, or the estate management company? Those are the likely questions. Developers must include cybersecurity clauses and liability terms in all contracts with technology vendors. You need to know that whenever you want to hire security vendors, technology people, you need to include this in the contract. Number 3, compliance with building and safety regulations. Even with new technology, all developments must comply with existing laws such as the National Building Code, the urban and regional planning laws of the states, and as well as relevant state fiscal planning regulations. Very important. Smart building features like automated fire system, automated elevators, and energy-saving installations must be approved and inspected to ensure public safety. 4. Intellectual property, IP rights, where technology is integrated into a property owner. The owners of that software or the system can be tricky. Note that. Developers must often use software built by third-party vendors. So, because they are not builders, they cannot build it. They can only build house. Without clear IP clauses, disputes may arise over who owns or can modify the system. Example, if a smart home management system was customized for an estate, the developer must comply whether they own the license or only have limited usage rights. Can you see it? Number 5, contractual obligations and risk allocation. Smart property developer, under smart developments, involve multiple contracts between developers, tech vendors, engineers, and buyers, as homeowners. Legal drafting must clearly outline the following. Please take note of that. Very important. Don't make mistake. Performance standard of the smart system. You need to know the standard of this performance. Maintenance responsibilities. You need to define who is responsible for the maintenance. Liability for malfunction and data management obligations. Poorly drafted contract can lead to expensive disputes if technology fails or privacy is being breached. Number 6, consumer protection and transparency under the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act. Buyers and tenants have the right to accurate information about the property they are buying or they are leasing out. Developers must not overpromise features that are not functional. Don't just go and be promising what you don't even know about. Verify before you make promises. Misrepresentation of smart features can amount to false advertisement and attract legal sanctions. 7, insurance and risk coverage. Smart properties face new risks such as technology failures, cyber incidents, and equipment malfunction. Developers should work with insurers to create custom insurance policies that cover this modern risk, because we don't actually have them in the society so commonly like that. Failure to obtain the right insurance could leave the developer exposed to heavy financial loss. For instance, let me give you this scenario. Imagine a developer builds a smart estate in Lekki, fitted with biometric access control, solar panel management system, and CCTV systems. A year later, a hacker gained access and disabled the security cameras, lead to theft, loss. Residents sue the developer for negligence. That's what you see. Who is responsible? The developer for inadequate cybersecurity, the tech vendor for failure of the system, the estate manager for poor supervision. These are things you see. This is exactly why smart estate developments require legally sound contracts, data policies, additional challenges in Nigeria, outdated property laws that don't yet recognize digital infrastructure, limited technology knowledge among regulators and inspectors. These are challenges. Slow adaptation of land registration between the land registries of current days. Legal best practices for smart property developers. Number 1, engage legal and tech experts early. Before construction, consult property lawyers. Familiarize yourself with data and technology law. 2, draft comprehensive contracts. Define intellectual property ownership, warranties, and data responsibilities and liabilities. Ensure data protection compliance. Obtain consent and file a data protection impact assessment where it is required. That is DPIA. Adopt cyber security standards. Partner with certified IT firms to install and monitor security systems. 5, update buyer's agreement. Clearly state which smart features are included, their limitations and maintenance obligations. 6, educate residents and staffs. Everyone uses smart system and must understand their rights and obligations. Conclusion. Smart property development represents the future of real estate in Nigeria, offering innovation, efficiency, and convenience. However, as a technology becomes part of our homes and offices, the law must evolve to address privacy, security, and contractual safety issues. Developers, investors, and lawyers must work together to ensure that innovation does not come at the expense of legality and security. Very important, and don't make that mistake. At Chaman Property Lawyer, where we educate our audience, we help property stakeholders navigate this emerging legal landscape, confidentiality, and the compliance concerns. If you find this video helpful, please like this video. Click the thumb up and like the video. Drop a comment on the comment section. Would you live in a smart estate or smart home in Nigeria? Share this video with your friends, property developers, investors, anyone you know interested in investing in real estate, especially those interested in investing in smart homes, smart contracts. And most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chaman Property Lawyer, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my weekly property law and real estate guides. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms, Chaman Property Lawyer. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and all other platforms. For more legal insight on property, real estate, and technology, thank you for watching to the end of this video. See you in my next episode. Bye.